Welcome to the Sat-Coord free Article 5 browser tutorial. This free software is based on one of the modules available in RPC Telecommunications Sat-Coord software. Sat-Coord is a modular software suite which supports the processing of satellite network information filed with the ITU, inter-system interference calculation, including delta T over T and C to I, IFIC processing and related frequency coordination activities. Full information about Sat-Coord, as well as a free, fully featured 30-day trial version of the software, may be found at our website. A link is provided in the description below this video. Article 5 of the Radio Regulations is the International Telecommunication Union's Table of Frequency Allocations, which defines the authorized use of each part of the frequency spectrum worldwide. You can find out more information and obtain your own copy of the Radio Regulations by visiting the ITU website. A link is provided in the description below this video. On the right hand side of the screen are a number of searches giving us information from the Article 5 database. This includes information on the services, whether they are primary allocations or not, the frequency band or range, the ITU region, and the note number and note text information. In order to perform a search on the database, we need to select where we want the search to apply by selecting the relevant output on the left hand side. In this case we have an empty output, and then double clicking on the search we wish to apply. For this tutorial I'm going to do a frequency band search on the database by double clicking on the frequency band search. This will now show me all of the frequency bands which currently have information in the Article 5 database. I can then select a particular frequency band from the output, for example the KU band, and then perform further searches to retrieve more detailed information on the Article 5 database entries associated with the KU band. For example, next I can do the service type search on the KU band by double clicking on this search, and you can now see listed the services which are available in the KU band. We can do further searches from here, for example to see the exact frequency allocations associated with the service, or to see the regions these allocations apply in, or the notes associated. If you click on the Summary button in the toolbar, it will open an HTML summary in your browser which replicates the Article 5 table for just the portion with overlapping frequency bands to the data we've selected from the tree. So for this example, we only see frequency allocations in the table for which the broadcasting satellite service is available. The HTML output provides links to the notes as well as highlighting the note on mouse over. There are two different summaries available. I've shown you the default summary, and next let me show you the filtered summary. If we close this window and go back to the software, if we instead pick the summary filtered icon in the toolbar, this will now also show a portion of the Article 5 table, but this time it will filter the service, note and region data to just the data we have selected. For this example, we can only see the broadcasting satellite service and only notes that apply to that. The two different summaries are useful for different tasks, but in general we would recommend that the standard summary rather than the filtered summary is used, so you're sure you are looking at the complete Article 5 table, albeit for just the frequency ranges you are interested in. This ends the Sat-Coord free Article 5 browser tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us using the information in the description below.